Deep inside this forgotten jungle, hidden beneath thick vines and decades of decay, lies a motorcycle that time almost erased. This is a legendary vintage motorcycle, abandoned for more than 40 years. Rust has covered every inch, nature has taken over, and it seems impossible that this machine could ever ride again.
Is that what I think it is?
As the team clears away the vines and heavy vegetation, the true condition of the motorcycle is finally revealed. Every bolt is rusted, the engine is frozen, and the tires have completely collapsed. Even so, we believe every classic machine deserves a second chance. The journey to bring it back to life begins now. The motorcycle is carefully transported to a professional restoration workshop. Years of mud, moss, and dirt are washed away with high-pressure water. Underneath the dirt, the damage is even more severe than expected. But this is only the beginning.
Make sure that ground is secure.
With one turn of the key, the engine comes alive. The deep rumble echoes through the workshop, proving that this legendary motorcycle has returned from the dead. It is finally ready to ride once again. From an abandoned relic hidden in the jungle to a stunning masterpiece on the open road, this restoration proves that with patience, skill, and passion, even the most forgotten machines can be brought back to life. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next incredible restoration.